Thank you for watching our SEO course. This lecture we will discuss about types of SEO. There are basically three types of SEO. Number 1, white hat SEO, number 2, black hat SEO, and number 3, grey hat SEO. That we did not mention it on here. But we don't need to use grey hat SEO. We will discuss with you about white hat SEO and black hat SEO. I will show you why you use white hat SEO and why you should avoid black hat SEO. White hat SEO. Number 1, white hat SEO is ethical and organic traffic. Why it's called ethical? Because you don't use unethical any work. You research and put it on your article. That's why it's called ethical. Number 2, conforms to search engine designs and involves no deception. Number 3, approved by search engine by following guidelines. Number 4, results for a long time. Number 5, white hat SEO techniques include research, analysis, rewrite, meta text to be more relevant, content improvement, and web redesign. That's why white hat SEO is ethical, because to do white hat SEO you have to research your content, your keywords, and you have to analysis, you have to rewrite meta tags, you have to design your site, and you have to content improvement. You know that content is the king at this moment. Your content is good, you can get good quality of traffic from search engines like Google or Yahoo. And white hat SEO traffic always coming, and it's for long term. If you do your site for today, and if you follow search engine guidelines, your site will be long term. But if you follow black hat SEO, your site will be for a short time, but 1 to 2 months or 3 months, but after that it will be penalized. White hat SEO site never penalized by search engines if you working hard and if you working by following guidelines. Conforms to search engine designs. You have designs of your site. That's why they will not problem with you. And it's organic traffic, because search engine always send you organic traffic, so your investment amount is zero. That's why we recommend to work with white hat SEO. Black hat SEO. Black hat SEO, number 1, techniques used to get higher search rankings in an unethical manner. Number 2, disapproved by search engines for not following guidelines. Number 3, site may eventually banned, de-indexed, or penalized through lower rankings. Number 4, black hat SEO techniques include keyword stuffing, doorway and clocked pages, link farming, hidden text and links, block comment, spam. White hat SEO is totally unethical, because you are doing spam. You getting traffic by spamming. So if you get anything by spamming, so it is unethical by search engines. So you will get traffic for short time, maybe 1 to 2 days or 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. But after then your site will be de-indexed. Your site will be de-indexed or penalized for lower rankings. Disapproved. Your site may approved for a short term, but it will be disapproved by moderator within short time for not following guidelines. Black hat SEO, you have to keyword stuffing, doorway, clocked pages, link farming, hidden text, block comment. It's all processor spammy process, so your site will be banned for very short term. So from today you have to use white hat SEO to rank your site for long term to make money.